Aim of the experiment: to make temporary mount of onion root tip to study mitosis. For this, materials required are onion root tip. This root tip of onion, it was fixed in acetic acid and methanol, and then it was kept in one normal HCl solution. Now, onion root tip, we require glass slide, needle, brush, cover slip, spirit lamp, and the stain acetocarmine, dropper, and water. Forceps. First step, we'll take the clean, dust-free glass slide. We'll keep it aside and we'll give several washings to the onion root tip so as to remove the preservative from it. We'll give it at least 3 washes to remove the preservative from it. We'll transfer the onion root tip onto the slide, and we have to make sure that the piece of the tip that we are taking, it is the pointed side from where it was growing. So we have, with the help of a blade, we have cut a small piece of the onion root tip. Now with the help of a dropper, we'll place 2 to 3 drops of acetocarmine stain on the root tip. Just 2 drops of the solution are enough. Now with the help of a needle, we'll put the cover slip over it gently. There is a particular way of keeping the cover slip on the slide. We hold the slide from one side, place it over the material, and with the help of a needle making an angle of 45 degrees, we slowly, gently place it. Now we are going to tap the cover slip very gently with the blunt end of a pencil, or we can use the blunt end of the needle, so as to separate the different cells. We'll light the spirit lamp and we'll give the slide intermittent heating so that it gets fixed properly. After heating the slide, we will squash it again with the blunt end of the needle. We'll tap the cover slip very gently, and we have to make sure that there are no air bubbles under the cover slip. And we have to tap it till it becomes almost transparent. Gently we are going to tap it. Now our slide is ready to be observed under the microscope. We'll adjust the microscope. First we will see the slide under the low power and then under high power. Mitosis is in onion root tip. Aim: prepare a temporary mount of onion root tip to study mitosis. Materials required: onion bulb, conical flask, petri dish, scissor, forceps, needle, methyl alcohol, acetic acid, HCl, acetocarmine, distilled water, spirit lamp, microscope, slides, cover slip, and blotting paper. Theory. The cells undergo mitosis, which is the equational division, and it is subdivided into two following phases: karyokinesis and cytokinesis. Karyokinesis, it includes prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. Cytokinesis is the division of the cytoplasm to form two daughter cells. Prophase. Appearance of chromosome. Metaphase. Spindle formation and arrangement of chromosomes on the equator. Anaphase. Movement of daughter chromosome towards the poles. Telophase. Formation of daughter nuclei. The cells of the onion root tip provides the most suitable material for studying the process of mitosis. You can see the different stages of mitosis: early prophase, late prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and the telophase. In the metaphase stage, you can see the chromosomes, they have aligned themselves along the equator. Procedure. Take an onion bulb and trim off the old roots from its base with the help of a sharp blade. Place the onion in the conical flask containing water so that the base touches the water. Keep it for a week so that the roots start to grow. Cut 5 ml of the tips of the root and put them in a vial containing mixture of 1:3 acetic acid and methanol. This process is called West fixation. Remove 2 or 3 root tips and hydrolyze them by warming to 60 degrees and 1 normal HCl for 15 minutes. Remove the root tip and wash them thoroughly in water. Place a drop of acetocarmine on a slide. Put 1 root tip on the drop and place the cover slip on it. Gently squash the root tip by tapping the cover slip with the blunt end of the pencil or needle until the cells separate and spread out into a very thin layer. Gently warm the slide on the flame for a few seconds. Observe under the microscope and examine the different stages of mitosis. Observation. Under low power of the microscope, rectangular cells with pink nucleus are seen scattered. Under high power of the microscope, the various stages of the mitosis such as interphase, prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase are clearly visible. Precautions. The base of the onion bulb should be in contact with water while growing the roots. Roots should be fixed in morning time. The slide should be warmed gently.